Hello guys, good afternoon. In this video I will try just to speak about IPOs. The IPO, which is initial public offering, which is a company is private and all its shares are private. It means you can't buy, and then it gets listed to an exchange like the new NYSE, which is a New York exchange, or the Nasdaq. So when it gets listed, the first day some of its shares, millions of shares, will be sold to the public. Okay, so why the trading in that day is so difficult? I will tell you something that I don't know. Maybe you know, maybe you don't know. If you like to trade this this kind of it means day trading. Although my channel is not about day trading, I like swing trading. I like to see the trend. I'm following trends. I'm following the big money. I'm not following for one day to have $500, $1,000. That's it. It's not a big deal. Now, what's the problem? Why trading an IPO, especially the first day, is so difficult? You know, in the exchange, they only accept limit order to buy or to sell. A limit order to buy is good, okay? Though you see the stock, okay, like what is it? Like Alibaba, it was 92.70. It opens with 9.70, and then in 1 minute it goes to 99.70 in 1 minute. So even if you want to buy, it's so late. It's so quick. Okay. Now, the problem is not when you buy. The problem is that when you want to exit. This is the problem. They give you the only option. They give you only the limit order. You know, limit order. If you want to exit, it should be so low. At least when they see it, they take your order and fill it. But it is on the same price. You can't, because the price jumps down. It jumps down. It jumps down. A lot of the people, they send me emails. Oh, we lost money in IPO, in Alibaba, and I say yes. Why you trade when they don't let you use a stop order? A stop order, what does it mean? A stop order, it means when the price reaches that price, when the price of the company reaches that price, it is sold automatically, and the market will sell your shares and give you your money. Okay, so it's an obligation from the exchange. If it is a NYSE, it is the specialist. In each company has one specialist. But for Nasdaq, we have what we call market makers. Okay, so this is the thing that maybe a lot of people, they don't understand. For me, I have a rule. What is this rule? I buy by limit order and sell by stop. Because the stop order, what do you ask the exchange? You ask the exchange to fulfill its obligation to sell your shares right now with any price that it is in the market. That's why you can exit quickly. But an IPO the first day, they told you no. Even if the broker, if you see the broker in the morning, when they say Alibaba, you say Alibaba is an IPO which will launch today, but we don't accept stop order. We only accept limit order. Okay? Why? Because in the exchange it will be so volatile, because a lot of people want to buy, a lot of people want to sell, and there is a mixture, and you see the price is going up so high. In 1 minute, from 90 to 70, it goes to 99.70. 7 points in 1 minute. And then the other minute, it goes down. Okay? And then after 6 minutes, it goes again up. And then it goes down. It is so volatile. Now, if you don't know how to use a stop loss as a limit order to exit, it will be a problem. And people who lost some money, they are lucky to exit, because if you stay, you will lose $6 or $7 or $5 for each share you buy. If you buy 100, you lose 700. But suppose you buy 500 shares or 1,000 shares. Suppose you have money. How much you lose? You will lose a lot. That's why, for me, I don't like this kind of risk. Why I should risk all my capital or my money in a trade that if I lose too much? This is against what we call money management and risk management. This is the thing that I use or I teach in my training. If you don't know your risk, if you don't know what you are doing, they told you, the exchange tell you, or your broker tells you, there is no stop order. It means you can't exit very easily, because whenever you put stop, when you put a limit order at the same price, when you say sell and you put a limit order and you hit, the stock has already jumped down, so you lose some money, and then you do it again until you exit. This is what the people do. But believe me, a lot of people has lost a lot of money. So why you are just sitting in your in the day and you lose $1,000, $2,000 like this? Why you do risk? Okay, too much risk. That's why one of the main thing when you are a beginner, what is the main goal for you, is not to lose too much money from your account. This is the first year or the second year. Don't lose too much. Don't do risky things, because you can't handle risky things. You can't. You go like this for Alibaba or any other stock, and you want to trade it, and you don't know how to trade. You are not disciplined. You have no skills to do this. Okay? So calculate what you can lose in each trade. And especially the first day of the IPO, they are very, very difficult. But later, second day or third day, when they allow a stop loss, it's okay. You can trade, put stop loss. Whenever it goes down, you exit. You lose $100, $200. It's okay. But when you're losing 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 from your account, even if it's not that much from your account, you have big account, but still it is too much money to lose in one day. Okay? So always calculate before you do. Plan your trade. I always do. I always ask people, beginners, plan your trade. Don't rush. Who pushes you to buy some stock? Okay? There are hundreds of opportunities each day in the stock market. So why you push yourself to buy today, or a stock that it is going down or it has trouble? Penny stocks is the same. It's risk. You risk too much, and then at the end of the year, you see your account. You have made no money, or you have lost too much money from your account, and you tell yourself, why I'm losing money? Oh, it's not me. It's the market. It's manipulator in the market. It's Wall Street guys take my money. It's that guy. It's that guy. It's that guru on TV. He tell I short stock, and my stock was his stock, and that's why I lose money. You begin to give excuses to yourself. You begin to give excuses for your failure. You should stop doing this. Stop blaming yourself. Stop blaming the market. What you should do what is right. Don't. If a market is so difficult and volatile, why you do this? Why you do this trade? If it is so volatile and you can't handle it, why? Okay? Some people, they have too much greed, and some people, a lot of people, when they send me emails, what they say? I have $5,000. Can I make $5,000 a month? I say to you first, who tells you that from 5,000 in 1 month you can 5,000? Who tells you first? 100% of your money? Are you going to harvest money? Just you enter because you are very famous and you buy something, it goes up, you take the money, then you buy again, you make the money, you buy again, you make the money, $5,000, you double your money, it becomes 10,000. Next month, from 10,000 becomes 20, from 20, 40, from 40, 80. So you become a millionaire from 5,000 in a year. And this is what some people online are spreading the word. We have a strategy. Come to us, pay us, we will show you the money. Okay, we'll double your money. It's not doubling your money. Some people they tell you 1,000%, 2,000%. Oh, this is okay. This is what we do always. So try to be logical. Mutual funds have 10% a year, 20%, 25% when it is a good year. So how can you? And these people are professional. You are not professional. You try to make 100, 200%, 300, and you tell me, oh, there are some people they do it. Who are doing this thing? Don't believe anyone who's online. You know, he has a cam and he speaks. Okay, all the people can do that. Even you make a video. You say, okay, I'm a millionaire and I teach. That's it. You teach people how to become millionaire. Okay, so it is so hard. It's a business. Trading is a business. It's not a game. That you have $2. You have a lottery ticket and you scratch it, and then you have 400 million jackpot. This is what the people are doing all their life in America here. In America here, the lottery is the most waste money of the public that goes to the government. They go to the other scammers. They give. What is the lottery? It's only $2. It's only $5. It's only $10. But this $2, that $5 that you say that you spend on the lottery tickets, how much for in 1 month? It's millions of dollars. It's not only what you see. For example, they say the jackpot. Let's say this jackpot is 100 million. It is not all the money that it is jackpot. The jackpot is more and more and more, but they don't tell you how much they get because the people, they have greed. And they gamble. They like to gamble. If there is a charity thing, let's say 1 month, they tell all the gamblers of the United States of America, they say this month, instead of you gamble, give us this $5 or $10. We put a charity and we build hospitals, and we show you. Okay, we want to build here a hospital in this neighborhood. You know. Or we build something for the kids, or wherever, or we help scientists search for some kind of cure to some hard diseases. They will never do that. Why? Because of greed. They want all the money. And I like how it's always fascinated me, the government, how intelligent they are. They know every people what they need. Okay, you need money? You need $100 million jackpot? You say, yes, I need it right now because I'm poor, I have small job. I want to have fun, and I want to have a house, a car, women, or a lot of women, wherever. Okay, I want to have everything. The government tells you, okay, we make it easy for you. Give us just $2 for this ticket. A ticket, what is it? It's a piece of paper. Okay? A piece of paper. And there is a number. If you hit it, you get the jackpot. Okay? So how many tickets you buy in your life? Some people all their life they buy, they have never won. All this money goes to Uncle Sam. That's why you say, oh, we are poor. No, you are rich, but all your money goes to someone else, and he spend it. Spend it wherever they want to spend it, because it's free money. Okay, I want if they don't let me, I will make a company that I do lottery. Okay, I take all the money of the people, and then I give a prize each month for someone. 1% to 10% to 5%. That's it. But do they let you? No one lets you collect the money from the people. except for churches and mosques that or other organizations. They collect money, okay? Because the government, you know, they look at them, how much you make, where is the money going, and they try to see. But the government, when they take the money, who asks them where is the money? Where is the money of the lottery? Oh, it goes to schools. It goes where? Show me which school have you made, which thing have you made? You know, it's just trust. Okay, we trust the government. They make good. Okay, so but the people, they give too much money to the people who don't work. They spend the money. They sit in the table to spend your money the way they want. So when we are speaking about stock market and we're speaking about the IPO, it's the same thing. You go and you buy and you buy and you buy and you can't exit. You can't make the money. And wherever you are buying, some people are selling, making profits, and you are losing money. And I hope this Alibaba, excuse me, and all the other IPO in America here, some people who buy, they make a profit in the future. So we don't know, okay? So we don't know what's going on until we see the price. As I told you before, the price. If Alibaba it was let's see right now. What is the price of Alibaba? Just I will try to see for today. The price is 88.92. Okay. So if it goes up to 99.70, it means it is nearly 100. Go up, it means it may be a good buy. Okay, but right now it goes to 86.62, and then it goes, now it's 88. Okay, so, and it is a very big stock, because we see here today 26,600,000 right now. We are at the end of the market. Let's see what's the time. Yeah, we have 5 minutes and the market will close. So you see, hope it goes up and some people make the money. Okay. So as I told you before, try not to trade IPOs because of this limit order. To buy, limit order to buy is good. Is a rule for me. I buy always with limit order. I want to see the price I buy to make sure I buy with that price. If it doesn't feel with that price, I don't want it. I want to control what I buy and what I sell. Okay? Now, if I want to sell, I use a stop order, because stop order, when the price hits the stop order, it becomes market order. It means you ask the exchange to sell your shares and to give you your money with whatever price is, which is the best thing you can do. Because if you stay more, you will have trouble. If you use limit order, the price can jump over and you will have problem, and you can't exit, and the price is going down and going. This is what happened in Alibaba in the 10 minutes. Okay, this is what happened, and people they don't understand that last Friday. They don't understand that it is, if they take a stop loss from you, it means they take your weapon. And I see some people like writing to me. I say, can I put stop limit order? I say, why this limit? Limit, it means you ask your broker that if it doesn't reach that price, you don't sell. But sometimes the price jump over your price. If you jump over your price, you will never get that price and go down, 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 and you lose too much money. Okay? So always use stop order. Stop order, it becomes market order. It means it's executed automatically by the exchange. And if it's not executed, you can complain about the exchange, you can complain about your broker. You have something against them. But if you put a limit order, oh, you tell your broker, oh, I put the price was $20, I put a limit order 19, and today the stock is 15. What did happen? Why you don't execute my order? He will tell you that you put a limit order and the price goes over, and that's it. Who can bring you your money? You know, in Wall Street, when you lose your money, it's forever. That's why if you don't manage your money with risk management, believe me, you will never be a professional trader. I always tell you, many times, and still some people tell me, oh, I put a limit order to sell if the stock goes down, and I tell him, if the stop goes over and your order is not filled, what will you do? Okay, are you going to yell at your broker, or you call your exchange, you say why you don't execute your order? Who cares? Who cares? Because you don't know how to trade. What they tell you? They tell you, okay, stock market is risky, trading is risky, and they put it in New York Exchange. Disclaimer and waiver. They told you, don't trade if you don't know how to trade. It's risky. Wall Street are there. They're like sharks. Okay? When you put the money, they want to eat it. They want to take your money and everyone's money. If you don't know how to trade, if the stock, if a hedge fund is shorting a stock and you are in, it's better to get out, because he will crush you. He has billions of dollars and you don't have. You can't compete with someone so big. And you say, no. They told me before. I see a guru say, don't worry. The stock, when it goes from 50 to 20, don't worry. The stock will go up again, and it goes to 50 and go 100. This is for sure. Okay? And this happened in the past. But tell him, I have seen a stock that it was $450,000 a share. Now it is trading at, I think, $10. 450,000 is $500,000 a share. It's more than Warren Buffett. But right now it is $10 or $20. I don't remember. I put a video before, funny stocks. If you can search my channel, you find this video. And there is another stock that was $3. It goes to 145 in 1 year and a half. You see the difference? It means the only thing you see in trading, what? Price. If you don't see the price, you will always have problems. Okay? So this is it for a limit order. I told you the first day in the exchange, in the IPO, which is initial public offering. Okay? They will not let you use the stop order, and you can't trade if you don't know really how to trade. And you have a risky, even the professional, they try to avoid this because it's too much risk. They take your weapon. Your weapon is the stop order, because when you want to exit, you see that the market is going against you. You want to exit. You are doing day trade. You are not doing investing. Okay? So if you stay, they crush you. There are bigger guys. They sell big chunk of stock. In 1 minute, $7 in 1 minute. It's too much. Okay? And you don't understand that it's a lot, and it's a lot. So learn from what I say. Why you go to risky trades where there are stocks that are going slowly and you can make 10%, 20, 30% in a few weeks? Why? Why you rush? You rush. You want money right now. That's why this greed will kill you. It makes you suicide. Because you have $5,000 in one trade. You go to penny stocks. You put all your money in the stock, and the next day you lose $1,000, and you begin to say, "Oh, how can you lose that much?" And you stay. The next day you lose another 1,000, and then you begin crying and whining, and then you sell. After it's all done, you lost 45 or you lose half of your money, and then after a few weeks, a few months, at the end of the year, you have no money to trade, and then You begin speaking about manipulation. You begin speaking Wall Street. They want to take your money, and your broker is looking at your money, and he wants to drop the price in order to take your money. And you begin doing this and this and this, whining and crying always. Instead of seeing your mistakes and correcting them, you become whining and crying always. So what you should do what is right always. You are doing a mistake. You are trading IPO and you don't know how, and it's very tight and you have no skills. Stop doing this. If you are doing penny stocks and you lose too much money, you don't know how to calculate risk, don't do them. Why you do them? Even if you don't have money, like $2,000, you can buy a stock that it is $5, $6, $7, and you can make money. But because of the people online that you are following, and they tell you from 1,000 you can become a millionaire next year if you follow me, man, this is, if you follow these guys, okay, continue, and you will lose all your money, believe me. Okay, so risk management and money management are the basic part in your business. If you are making a business, but if you are gambling, you say, okay, I got this 2,000 or 5,000 from my tax return last year or this year, and I don't know what to do with them. I don't want to spend them here and there, but I want to make a killing in the stock market. Okay, I will go to penny stocks. I will go there and here and there and make money. And by the end of the year, you lose everything, and then you stop thinking at all about stock market, about trading, because you think it's impossible to make the money. But professional people make the money always. They lose a little bit, but they can make it, and they make money each year. That's why we have stock market. If some people, they are not making money, how come the stock market will become stock market? If all the people lose, so we shut down the stock market. But so few people are making the money, all public is losing money. That's it. It's like this always. From the 19th century, 20th century, 21st century, it's the same thing. Few people are making the money, and others are losing the money. Okay? So, hope you understand this. And if you have any question about this IPO, about how to trade them, just ask questions or send me a private message. Thank you very much.